Hello friends, welcome to PlantBro. Today I will show you the harvesting of another vegetable of my terrace garden, the bitter gourd. As you can see, we have the vines of this bitter gourd all around here in the one side of my terrace. I just have this sort of nets where I just use my climber plants, beans, gourds, and that was sponge gourds, and there's bottle gourd, and here is our bitter gourd. As you can see, these are easily climbable on these setup because it's a heavy normal plastic, but heavy duty plastic you can say, because it can bear the load of any sort of these vegetables without any break. As you can see, we have this one beautiful small ready to harvest if you want this size, or you can have it for long, but as you can see, start getting ripe, so we have to take it out. Similarly, we have another one which is hidden inside like a gem. As you can see here, it is a better size and little bit get dirty with the cocoa peat inside this. So let's harvest it now, and this one as well. We can have better together for our vegetable purposes. So you can see this beautiful bitter gourd, and this grow bag, if you can check, it is 12 by 12 inch grow bag, good for growing such vines there, and I think one plant is enough here. But since I have used another plant with it, it's a hybrid way of having multiple things. It's a spinach variety of plant known as Malabar spinach, but that's another, will be covered in another video. So as you can see, we are having some different fruits, different flowers which are ready to get pollinated. Now if I show you how to pollinate them manually, you can see we have this flower which is having a bud in below it. So there's another flower which are without having any buds. So what we have to do, as you can see, there's an ant here. We have to take it out the petals of it. Let's do it. All right, so without harming its main side, we have to take out the petals. Now we have this stigma which we can directly place since we have some pollen grains here. So if you just place directly on top of it for a few seconds, or just if you don't want to wait, you just place it here if you can tolerate, and let it go. Small press, and that's it. No much more time, and then you will see a fruit coming out for that. That's a manual pollination we perform for our plants. Similarly, we can do the same process with other flowers. This will guarantees our fruiting. Otherwise, the pollination fails and the fruit end up like this. You can see this is not at all gonna be a good fruit. So let's break it out and put it for manuring. So talking about the advantages of this beautiful vegetable, it is rich in vitamins A, C, K, so you can say it's a good nutritious. It is good for your blood sugar control, good for digestion, best for immunity, and actually if talk about especially for blood sugar, many diabetic patients actually have this because it is good to refresh or build up your insulin activity, which is really needed for in current scenario where each and every person is affected by the diabetes and such kind of diseases. So, and apart from that, it has minerals like iron, magnesium, potassium, some sort of zinc as well. So person who actually facing some issues in their muscle growth, they can have it as well in their diet. but not that big rich source of zinc, but still a good one. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.